Today we wrap up the joists at the house edition. Welcome back to the house edition. In the last couple episodes, I've had a couple problems with my level, so I went and got a brand new 6.5 footer. So I'm just going to check everything just to make sure that it all looks good. So after checking everything, I think I do have to take that block out again. Okay, it did come down some, but not perfect. But once I get some load on it, then I'll just have to recheck everything. So before I get started setting the new joist, I need to go back to the previous one because it was just slightly too high. So I'm going to try to cut it down with a Sawzall just so it settles down just a little bit. I don't think it's going to get any better than that. I'm just going to move on to framing the rest of the joist now. I feel like I'm being haunted by all these old level problems. The beams show that they're perfectly level, but the joists, even though they're the same distance down from this side as they are on this side, they're showing that they're too high. So I don't know, I'm going to have to investigate that further before I go any further. Perfect. So now I'm just going to loosen these other three and lower them down and get it leveled. And then I'll go back over there, and a couple of them have to be shimmed out. So I'd just rather take the time now, and then I'll reboot and start setting the new ones. When will it be? January. So you can see the level looks pretty flat when it sits across these joists on top. But there's a slight gap here, not on that one, but there's a slight gap on that one. So I need to close that up. So I got these two joists set. I just leveled over from this first joist to here, and then leveled from that one over. and everything looks good. This is level across, and these are level side front to back down. So I'm just going to go ahead and set each one and just raise it up to the line between these, and I should be good to go. So I got the joists installed today, and I think I'm just going to call it quits. I've already cleaned everything up and covered the lumber just in case it rains or some dew on it in the morning. So I hope to see you in the next clip where we'll start sheathing, and then we'll finally have a floor. I'll see you then.